Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can send mass emails in Pipedrive. This is useful for marketing campaigns, updates, or announcements to multiple contacts while keeping them personalized. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your mail section. And once you're here, you do have to make sure first that you've already verified your email address so that you will be able to actually use this. So once you've already clicked your mail, you should see the mass email option there. So you will just have to select it. And then after that, you will select your recipients by choosing a contact list or deals. And then of course, you will filter contacts based on criteria like deal stage or location. And then after that, you will choose or create a template by picking an existing email template or creating a new one. And then after all that, you will just have to configure the settings by setting sender, reply to address, and optionally schedule the email for later. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.